How to find old Snapchat friends without a username. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find Snapchat friends without a username. First of all, open up your Snapchat application on your iPhone. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left side. Then, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down till the end and then tap on My Data. Next, here you may type the username or your email address. Now tap on Next and then Password. So this is how you can find old Snapchat friends without a username. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.